Okay, so the shorts is saying is live, but I can't figure out if it is actually live or not, or if it's bullshitting to me. The other live is actually live as well, so that's working. And that's working. Oh, so it is working. It's doing something. I just don't know what it's doing. Oh well, I'm just gonna leave it running right now. So let's go back to the chats. Are you profitable? Yes, now I am. After a very long time of struggle. Some people say trading's easy. Yeah, I don't think trading's easy. Trading wasn't easy for me. Trading took me fucking 2.5 years to figure out what the hell was going on. Maybe because I didn't like to study as well. Maybe I didn't like the theory part, the education part. Maybe that's why I struggled a lot as well. But I find it really difficult. Trading is definitely not easy, bro. Yeah, it's definitely not easy. I don't know how people say it, that trading's easy and they've got it in 1 month and all the rest of it. I don't know. Either they're lying. I think they're lying. Because some people online, they tell you they're profitable and everything all in 1 month. And like, obviously I've been through it and I've learned it, yeah, and it's taken me fucking 3 years, yeah. And I know how hard it is for then someone to say to me, oh, I'm profitable in 1 month. And I think to myself, is it that easy? Are you really telling the truth? Or am I just fucking stupid? And am I just that fucking thick that I couldn't understand it in 1 month? I studied loads and still found it tough. Trust me, bro. I studied so much afterwards when I figured out I lost loads of money in my thick brain. Like, bro, you keep losing. What the fuck are you doing? And then I started fucking hardcore studying this shit, yeah? And I still found it hard. Is even the executing, the analysis paralysis, when you overanalyze and you don't execute a trade and the trade just goes without you. There's so much to fucking learn. See, that's what I mean, Amari. It took you 3 months to become profitable. I'm not saying you're lying. I just find that so hard to believe because I couldn't do it myself. So that's saying something about your Amari. Mine is FX Trader 2024. When did you give up your IT job for trading? Bro, do you know what happened? I never gave up my IT job and I'd still be in trading right now. I mean, I'd still be in a job right now if I wasn't. If I got made redundant. Last year, July, I got made redundant. Because the company moved over to Romania. And then at that point, it would have been hard for me to get another physical job again because I got diagnosed with MS and it affected my leg. So my walking was really weak at that point. So I just thought to myself, you know what, I was doing this for 2 years at that moment anyway. And then I just went in full time. At that point, I wasn't profitable. I just started getting payouts from Take Profit Trader. And then after that, it's just slowly. It was more like, it was like this. And then I was like that, and then you start seeing profits, and then all of a sudden that curve just changes like that. So, but it took me so long, 2.5 years to get to that point. So then that's why when people tell me they did it so quick, I find it very difficult to believe. Maybe just because I couldn't do it that quick and they're that good, maybe, I don't know. No, but also I genuinely was on paper trading for 2 months and studied before getting my first EVA. Oh no, okay. Ah, damn, bro. How's the MS now? You okay? Yeah, fatigue fucks me up really badly. I've still got foot drop in my leg. My leg's still fucked up at the moment. Megatron, you need to go. Yeah, but other than that, I'm getting there. On YouTube, we got Padbandan Labagapan. Hi, hello, how are you, my brother or my sister? Can't tell by the name, but how you doing? That's for Padbanana. Oh, I'm loving it. It's all on one system finally. Amari, we are waiting for New York Sesh to look for the entires. Possibly. There could be something happening in this area here. I just want to mark out this area. I want to figure out what is going on, because we are currently in an uptrend, no doubt about it. Like, it's been pushing up. Asian session got swept. Price didn't come back down, just retraced and pushed up. So this was an absolute banger of an entry. Let's have a look who caught an entry here, because this was one position. So this one was good here, yeah, and this one was good here. So let's have a look at what happened in this area here on the 1 minute time frame. So that was the fair value gap, and yeah, that was the trade. That was the fucking trade right there. Let me just figure this out. Leroy laughing. Roger Faris, I feel you on that. Got bad hip problems and back problems. Tell me about it. It's the fucking worst, bro. Never had no problem in my life. Then I got diagnosed with MS. I'm like, for fuck's sake. Me in it, the lucky one out of all of them. I better fucking get lucky from trading as well, because I don't want to be the lucky one only with the health problem as well. That was the perfect entry. Yeah, bro, it was, isn't it? Look at it. So there was kind of like retracement back into the area, so you could have caught it here, but then it still wasn't showing you. So this one here could have been one, then price went back into that area, it could have been one, then price went back into that area again, that could have been one, but then this was the perfect entry, guys. This one, look, price pushed up, breaking structure to the upside, changed the character already, and it's breaking structure. Retracement on the 1 minute time frame, found its motherfucking confluence. That found its shit right there, and boom, this was the one. This move right here. So this move right here would have just fucking given everybody some peas. Let's have a look, guys. So if I was trading, so let me get the limit out. From there to, I want to risk more on that, so just say about 8 micros. And no, oh no, 8 would be too much, so let's go to 4 micros. It's good price right now. It's fucking absolutely brilliant price right now, guys. Thank you very much for following. Someone just followed. Gold seller, you need to go. Fair trading. Bye. Followed the live. Fair trading followed the live, and fucking trying to give me signals at the same time. I feel you on that. Okay, that's the perfect entry. Yep, that's right. So yeah, look, guys, here. So right underneath there, that still would have been too much. Wow, price is damn good right now, guys. Let's go to just say 2 micros. 2 micros of fucking giving that kind of price. That's absolutely crazy. Thank you very much for following, Carmel. Look at that, $203. Look, this is, guys, this is for people who on the prop firm funded stages who don't want to risk heavy and want to risk lightly. Yeah, look at that, just from there to there, that's risking about $200. Yeah, but this was a perfect entry. So that in your whole day, that would have made you what, $700, $800 nearly. If you want to risk a little bit more, just say you want to risk 4 micros. Would have been halfway through that fair value gap below that. Okay, so you might be risking 260. Just say $300 you risked there. You would have made $1,500 if you caught right to the top, or even if you just did it to there, $1,300. Fucking crazy. That's crazy. Holy shit! I'm on 20 micros. You made me scream loud. What's that? 20 micros, blood. So you're doing 2 minis. I do sometimes like size up and over leverage and stuff like that, but if I'm on the 25Ks, I just don't see it because I'm risking way too much, and I have, just say I've got $1,500 for drawdown, From that $1,500, I want to take as much decent sized entries as I can. So like I risk it down to about $200. So for $1,500 drawdown, so it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you get 7 good trades. If you want to risk about $214, then you get definitely full on seven good trades. Dal Jones, yes bro, yes my brother Dal Jones, how are you? I'm good, thank you very much. I hope you are okay, brother. I'm glad I finally got this live fucking fixed because it was causing so much shit. But now we're fixed, man. We're okay. Oh, we got 7 followers today. Okay, but that's showing 7 out of 5,000. I need. It's not showing what I've already got. That's another thing right now. It needs to show me what I've already got. Or do I need to put the numbers small and say 500 a day, 500 a day, 1,000 a day, or something like that maybe? We've got Pam in the house on TikTok. Hey, new to futures, looking to learn and make money. Well done. You've made a great choice right there. Carmel, do you have a group? Carmel, this is the group. We trade live every single day, 8:30 a.m. London session GMT. So 8:30 a.m. GMT London session, and then we have like a 2-hour break, and then we'll come on 12 p.m. GMT pre-New York session, which is 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Sam, where are you from? And Carmel, where are you from? Where are you guys from? Exotic reptiles in the house. Say whoop whoop. I'm just hoping my YouTube live is okay and going strong on YouTube and YouTube Shorts live. So I'm doing the horizontal and the vertical screen. That's what I keep testing out, guys. So yeah, it's working. It says we're on live. We've had 35 views on that only. TikTok is at like fucking 562. Chat rate 1, current viewers 2. Come on, guys, share the live, stay on the live. We don't want average view of 1 minute. What the hell is that about? We want average view of a few hours. See, look, YouTube is good, average view over 20 minutes. TikTok is even amazing, average view of over God knows how much. Whitehaven, Cumbria. Oh, you from the nicer side. Okay. And Term is from Manchester. Okay. We got some Manx in the house. Roger Farris, YT is good. Not sure about shorts. Yeah, that's right, because the shorts is just the small mobile screen again, you see. So YouTube, I've got the big screen on at the moment. So this big screen here. So guys, look, that trade would have kept on playing out like that from there. So I'm just still looking for an entry, but where do I want to take the entry from? I don't know. So let me just drop down now back into the, let's go to the 15 minute. Let's figure out what's happening on the 15 minute. Okay, so we're still in this area here. Was that the same on the 30-minute time frame? Yeah, we're still in this area here. So this can be a possible danger zone. I'm not saying it definitely is, but it can be possibly. Let me just mark this area right here. Price blows past this area here and continues going up. Then we're pushing up for a little while. More came for me, Rye. Oh, nice one, Rye. Carmel, haha, nice aside, funny. Just bits. Price can even retrace because we're pushing up right now. So let me just remove some of these drawings. Price can even retrace here. Possibly. And retrace there. Continue pushing up. Or we've got this little danger zone down here, which I will mark out in red in a second. Right, okay, that's a danger zone. There's a fair value gap there, but I want more. I think price can still probably go up more before it finds some sort of premium price. There's no premium price down here. Look, they're the two zones for now that I'm looking at, and you can see this fair, but the only reason I'm saying it possibly can be shooting up higher yet, this whole fair value gap down here, this area here, that's been inversed. So that's what they call an IFVG, inversed fair value gap. Some call it mitigated, some say the balance has been balanced out, price has been balanced out. Everyone has their own little thing, whatever they want to call it. So let's see what happens from here. But for me, price is still just chopping at the moment, so I'm not looking to take an entry at the moment. I'm looking for shorts on open. Okay, I see why. If I don't see a clean entry or part of my game plan, I'm not taking an entry, whether it's longs or shorts. I will just follow my game plan only. Yes, this is Nasdaq. I can't see your name there. I can't catch your name right there. But this is Nasdaq. Price is pushing. Yes, that's right. Yeah. Because I'm just trying to see if price comes back into this area here. And then continues pushing up. But I don't know what it's doing right now. Can't figure it out right now. But then again, it doesn't even have to come there. It could just come as low as this. Because if I just... That's from the swing low to the swing high. Could it become 50% even there? And then it could just come as low as that. It can go from there, even there maybe. And this is a possible area here. 61.8. They're like the golden zones, but only golden zones if there's something to fucking from price to react from. If there's nothing there for the price to react from, it's not really a fucking golden zone or a optimal trade entry as they call it. Watching it right now. Yeah. The good thing is I can click on people's names here now, and then I can see the whole chat feed and everything just of that one person, which is wicked. This is good. We've not had many signal sellers today, but today's the one is kind of them days where price is just moving a bit more slower. I don't like price action. The only place I liked price action where it was earlier if I was taking a buy. That was the best place to fucking buy. Oh, I need to make sure my trades are being traded. Let's have a look at some economic news events. Let's see what's happening in the economic world, the news world. Nothing today, so literally there's no news event, so you can just trade as you want when you want. But we don't know if they drop a random news in as always, but that would have happened by now sometimes, but we'll see. But you're good to trade right now. There's no red folder news events. The music's still good. Yeah, man. You might take profit trader made some profits. Yeah. And one second, this is just repeating everything I'm saying. So yeah, my take profit trader made some profits of around about $120 or something like that, but I just took the $120 out because, one second, where are we right now? Go to the wallet. So look guys, yeah, if I just take you over here, this is my take profit trader and the payouts. I just passed the challenge, then I made the buffer zone, but when I closed my trade, the buffer zone came within it created the buffer, and then it made a little bit of profit on top. But then after profit split, it's saying it's going to give me $97.60, and that's just paid for my whole challenge. So I thought to myself, you know what, I'm just going to withdraw that, take out the whole 97. Will that give 0.60? Will it give it all? Okay. But then I don't want to take it out because the amount you get is $47 and the withdrawal fee is $50. And why are they charging a withdrawal fee? Because it's below an X amount, like $150 or $200 or something like that. And then once you get that, then you don't have to pay a withdrawal fee. So I'm gonna wait now until I can make some more profits, because I would have took that out because that would have just paid back for the challenge. But then why would I give them $50? I'd rather make a bit more and then just take it out fully. You see what I'm saying? Because I don't give a shit if I got $200 in there or if I got fucking $10,000 in there. If I got $200 in there, I know how long and hard these prop firms are. So if I can take out my break-even money so it pays for my challenge, then I'll take that out. Leroy in 29404 out of 29494. Not sure what you mean, bro. I'm on. Let me just get my trade syncer up. Leroy, what are you using for copy trading? Oh, you was long. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure why this happens sometimes on my... I'm copy trading, but then it always just says enable accounts. Like, why? Always going to enable accounts. I've already fucking enabled accounts. So they disconnect them all for some reason. Not sure what's going on here. Which broker you use? I'm currently using two prop firms at the moment. I'm using, so as you can see, I've got one account with Take Profit Trader, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts with Apex. Yeah, so I'm currently copy trading it, and because you can see this crown here, my Take Profit Trader is the leader account, and the rest of my Apex are the following accounts. So that's why I'm being very careful, because I'm trading across 6 accounts. I don't really want to fuck them up, so I'm waiting for a nice good A+ setup before I can take a trade. So it's for Khan. What broker do you use? Because if you're using a broker, you're on a private personal account, right? So do you trade prop firms, or are you trading personal accounts on a broker? Yeah, let's go. Which broker you use for personal account? Okay, so there would be a few. If I want to control how much money I'm trading in a good way, and I don't want to over leverage, oversized blow accounts, 1 to 30 it gives you. That's a wonder. Thank you very much for following. 0.47. If I want to trade big and better and oversize a little bit, I will go with black bull markets and IC markets, because you can use 1 to 500 leverage. Then if you want to use more leverage, then you can use an offshore broker, but you have to research for your own offshore brokers. I'm not really advertising any of them because your money is not safe in offshore brokers. You can trade them sometimes, but then if they close, your money goes lost as well. That's the only problem with offshore brokers. Anna, is eToro good? eToro is good, I think, more for like investing type of things. I don't think it's good for like day trading or anything like that, but I've not really used it. But yeah, so I wouldn't really use eToro for day trading and swing trading and stuff like that. But I don't know, you might be able to. It depends how you buy and sell on there. I'm not really familiar with it too much, but eToro is the first place where I started trading, not because I wanted to become a trader. It's because I seen an advert on TV and it said eToro, and then I was like, and it said trading, make your money, blah blah blah, and I thought, oh, this is like gambling, because I used to like gambling at that point. I used to like a lot of roulette. So I got an eToro account, and I didn't know what any of the companies were. I didn't know anything about trading. This is when I first started. Thank you very much, David, for following. This is when I first started. So I got the eToro account, and then I got this company called Ocugen, and I put £50 on it, on Ocugen. I didn't know what it was. I just thought, let me see if I can invest in this and see what happens with the money. Does it go up? Does it go down? Within a week, that company, from the company that I chose, Ocugen, when I put £50 in, within a week, that £50 turned to £350, and I took the payout out. And then I thought, that's when I realized, oh my god, this trading shit really actually works. But is eToro the route I'd go down if I was day trading? Nah, it wouldn't. That was the only time I ever used it. I never used it ever again, because then I started looking into proper day trading, real trading. How does prop firm work? Prop firm works as in you get the challenge for cheap. So they tell you, they give you a shiny number, 50,000 count, $150,000 account. It's a shiny number, so you end up thinking, oh my god, if I buy this account for just say you're on futures and you say I'll buy this account for $80 or $100 or $150, whatever you spend on it, they're not going to actually give you their $50,000 account to blow. It's a demo account. It's simulated funds. Basically, how they make money is you have to pass their challenge, and a lot of people fail challenges, so that's how they make their money. It's kind of like it's like a gambling kind of platform, but not so much gambling if you understand and know how to trade. So if you buy a challenge for $100 and you get like a 50k challenge, then you have a drawdown on there, so you can only have a drawdown of like about $2,000, and if you lose that $2,000, you've blown your account. But that's not $2,000 of their real money, it's simulated funds. So that's how it works. But slowly, if you're a good trader and you're making money for them and you keep making money from their simulated funds, they put you onto their live accounts, the real live accounts, and then that's where you're trading their real money. That's how prop firms work. So it's hard if you don't know how to trade and you can't pass challenges. It's very hard. So you have to be very careful, because you can lose a lot of your own money if you keep putting. If you blow 10 challenges and they're $100 a challenge, that's $1,000 right there, and that can easily get blown in one trade, 1 second, like that. So you have to be very careful. Gary's Aquarium, all right, Danny, big man, how are you? How are we, brother? We are very good, my brother. I'm good. How are you, Gary's Aquarium? How you doing? You managed to catch a trade today, or have you just come on for the day? Oh yeah, so online, oh yeah, wicked. So YouTube does show that I am on vertical and horizontal live at the moment. So that's absolutely brilliant. So I can get the stats of that later. Not like TikTok. TikTok just tells you everything there and then right in front of you. There's not many people on at the moment. Same auto trades, you need to go because we don't do signals. Isfahan, I am with Trading 212, stupid broker. Okay, I see what you mean. Yeah, Trading 212 and all stuff like that is similar to eToro and stuff like that. So that's where you got to be careful. So if you're trading, you have to be on a proper trading platform. You know what I'm saying? So you'd have TradingView, you'd have TradeAway, you'd have many platforms like Black Bull Markets, IC Markets, Awanda, AMP Futures. So loads of different ones. You have to be very careful when you're choosing a broker, because then once you got a broker, then you have to be on a platform to trade from. Are you going to use TradingView? Are you going to use MT5? Are you going to use TradeAway? Are you going to use their system on their platform? So it's very... This is why people get scared and they find trading difficult, because there's so many systems that you have to use. But on prop firms, they've made it easy, because what they do is, just say you're on Alpha Futures prop firm, you can use their system, or you can use Project X, and it's like TradingView. So you just sign up with them and just click load up their system, and then you can start trading from it. So yeah, it's different. I'm good, bro, just chilling the day. I like your streams, bro, to learn. Oh, wicked. Gary's Aquarium, thank you very much. So Gary, you got your name as Aquarium. Have you actually got an aquarium? Do you deal with fishes? Do you deal with the big fishes, or how is it, or is it just a username? Naeem Mala, you need to go. We're not doing signal. Yeah, 20 tanks, bro. Aquascaper. Oh my god. Yeah, I thought that by your name. I was like, God, this guy must have some fucking big ass fucking aquarium. 20 tanks then. Thank you very much for following, Frank, my tax pro. Thank you very much. Frank, you giving out tax advice, or you going around getting the traders and charging tax from them? Gary's Aquarium, do you deal with the big sharks as well? The whales, the big ass whales and shit. Frank, my tax pro, both lol. Well done, well done. Frank, are you from the UK, or what country are you from? Don't worry, we won't block you. We'll keep you here because we can use you for tax advice, and you can help people as well. That's a good place to start, isn't it, for you? There's many traders here that want some tax advice. Guys, you got Frank, my tax pro here. Depends which countries. Oh, he's from USA. So anyway, yeah, you know what? I get a lot of people from the USA. So anyone wants tax advice, guys, look, we got Frank here. You can message him. No, Gary's. Thank you very much. Bulal, thank you very much. Guys, Aquarium, no, that big, but love all aspects of aquarium life. Oh no, that's absolutely brilliant. Where are you from, Gary? Which country are you from? Of course, just here to learn from you firstly. Oh, wicked, no problem. I'm just here, just answering people questions. Oh, Gary's from Scotland. Oh, wicked. The closest I've got to Scotland right now is right towards the end of Newcastle. I've not actually been further past that. And I'm looking to travel up them sides. Sometime in the summer holidays with my family at some point. So yeah, have you actually got a place where people can come and visit the aquarium, and how does it work? Do you charge a fee, or is it just your personal use? Hey, you should come over, bro. It's a beautiful place. Yeah, that's what I've heard. I've heard it's absolutely beautiful. Price is just pumping, so you can see this area here has been absolutely mitigated. So let's have a look at the 30-minute time frame. So I want to see what happens when this 30-minute candle closes. This one. Then I want to see what happens. Do you think we might come and retest the lows made? Harry Gregory, possibly Harry, I'm not sure, because the way prices just moved from here is fucking crazy. So a lot of people were on these buys and have been able to ride it up. This was Asian session today in the blue. This orange session is the London session, and price has just been pumping. So I really don't know. What can happen is we can have a deep, very, very deep retracement on the higher time frame, and then price can come tumbling down from that retracement. That's a possibility. But everything in trading is a possibility, right? So this area here would be another danger zone. People would be wondering what the fuck to do in this area. So I will mark that out as well, because anything can happen from these areas. Because if you look, this is where price started dumping to the low there, and this is a premium area where price can push down. So just gotta be very careful when price comes in those areas, guys. Right now I'm just literally waiting. Thank you very much, Gary's Aquarium, for the heart. Thank you so much. Gary's Aquarium from home. I do aqua scraping and shrimp breeding. Oh, wicked. I stay in Loch Lomond, bro. Beautiful when weather's nice. Lots of nice B&Bs, hotels to stay if you come. Do you know what? If I come, I'll give you a shout, bro. Harry Gregory, I'll give you a follow as well, so that we can stay in touch. Harry Gregory, the only thing I've got for that to happen for me is the 1 hour FVG, which aligns with my fib. Okay, I see where you're coming from. Hey, Defo, bro. Hi, Defo, bro. What's happening with the price? Let's have a look. Thank you very much for following, Harry Gregory. Thank you very much. Trading's just one of those things where sometimes you can't just see where price is going. So this is making me remove my accounts on TradeSync, because I use TradeSync to copy trade, and is making me add the connections back again. So let's do TPT at first. Take profit trader. Okay. We log in with that. And then we want to... So this is where you have to be very careful. When you're using TradeSync as a copy trader, you have to be very careful, because every day, sometimes when you come back onto the charts and you take a trade, TradeSync drops off and it's not activated. But it normally does it over the weekend. But you just got to add your connections back on just to be on the safe side, or make sure, do a demo trade or something with a very low lot size to make sure it's calculating and copying trades across onto all other platforms. So I have got Apex there, so let's have a look. How's life treating you now, bro? You winning? Yeah, I'm trying to be winning, bro. I'm trying to be winning. But the past 2 days, like today I just came on the markets late. I was fixing all this stuff up, but just made a quick $100 going to lay down until the market opened. No worry, Amari, you carry on, bro. Marley is pushing like hell. Yeah, tell me about it. There you go. TikTok thinks I'm Thinks I'm inactive, but we're active. Marley is pushing like hell. Market. I thought you meant some sort of commodity or something, Marley. But you meant market. Yeah, market's pushing, man. Thank you very much, Gary's Aquarium. So look, this is what happens. Oh, it drops off. It's asking me to set a new leader, so I can't just go and set a new leader because I have to go to connections. Got to go back to my Apex connections. You have to activate all the connections back up. Then you go to the cockpit, because in TradeSyncer they call this here the cockpit because they need something to control the rest of the trades. So we put a leader account in, change that to the leader account, and then once you change that to the leader account, you got to make sure all the rest of the Apex accounts are active, or whichever ones you want to be trading. So there you go, we are live on it right now, and hopefully that shouldn't fuck up. So that's that. Didn't like price, what it was doing right there. That was annoying. Waiting for a little bit more of a retracement. Yeah, let's see what it's done when it's pushing now. Leroy, done for the day. All accounts in profit. Well done, Leroy. Well done, man. Time to just watch the markets and just relax. Once you're done, guys. Once you've taken profits from the markets, that's it. Call it a day. Don't end up going back onto the fucking markets and start trying to find another trade. Unless you're expert and you can control your emotions and you know what you're doing, then that's cool. But otherwise, yeah, you don't need to go back onto the markets. So this whole area here has been mitigated now. So that's done. Let me just go on to that 30-minute time frame. You are in this fair value gap, so it's a bit of a danger zone. Is price pushing very fast and hard for it to just come into this fair value gap? But I think it has to go into a premium area. You can't just go into a fucking fair value gap. But that's what price tends to normally do now. Muhandakaz, buy or sell gold now? I don't know, brother. I don't know. Not on gold. Do I buy or sell? I don't know. I'm not here to give financial advice. I help now. Yeah, help, bro. You can help Muhandax. Muhandax, ask Leroy. He'll tell you. Oh, this candle has only been open fucking 12 minutes. Let's just hold that there for now. Bring this back down there. Let's have a look at what price you're doing. Hello. Yeah, what is there? No, but what is there? Okay. Will I just eat it here? Player one, afternoon, Danny. How's it going? Yes, player one. I'm good. Thank you very much. How are you doing, player one? This is just fucking, oh my god. One beautiful entry and then no more beautiful entries. This is the only one beautiful fucking entry we got today. this one here. After that, price never really retraced back lower. People could have entered here, obviously, but price is chopping around there, so they tend not to. And now it's this bit here, so I don't know, is price going to continue pushing further up? I'm all right taking a break from work to see what's happening in the markets. Yeah, the markets are just pushing up, going out to rebalance price for what happened fucking last week Friday, when price just absolutely fucking dumped. So this is what the problem is, that people get excited, like they see one fucking bearish dump, yeah, and they're like, oh my god, the markets have crashed, oh no, it's right down at the bottom. Like, it's not. It's like, you need to stop the hype. Even people from the fucking New York exchange, they start making videos and start saying, yeah, price is gone, that's it, trillions have been wiped out from the market. It's like, shut the fuck up. Trillions get wiped out every day and get put back in. So just relax. Just trade's always going to be here every single day. If you're a day trader buying or selling, you're always going to get an opportunity. So you need to just fucking chill on that, motherfuckers. Let's see if we get an opportunity today. I'm loving the system now. I'm just loving it. All YouTube messages, all my TikTok messages, all in one place. You made your play today, Danny. No, I'm not. So basically, I came into the markets when the move had already been done. So the trade to the upside was already playing out. So I'm one of those traders, like if the move's gone without me, I don't chase it. I won't chase the markets. Why does everyone ring me when I'm on live? Stop ringing me. People just want to ring always when I'm on live. Wouldn't mind risking maybe $250. I wouldn't mind risking $250. But it all depends on how price comes pushing down here. Good bro, wise man. I try to be wise when I'm on live. When I'm off live and live and I'm fucking all guns blazing and I've got no one watching me or controlling me, sometimes it can be a different ball game. Then you be like, fucking buy, sell, motherfucker. Leroy's laughing. It's true, isn't it, Leroy? Like when you're on live and that, you got a lot of people watching you and that, so you can't be doing fucking dumb shit. As soon as you come off the live and that, you're like, fuck, free. Let's just fucking oversize, put all your lot sizes in and enter a trade. One trade, one loss, that'll just blow your whole entire account. I would like price to come here, like into this area here. To be fair, I would like price to come around about, yeah, there. And then just reject from there. And push up. That's what I would have liked. But it doesn't always work like that, does it? Could this be the last of the pump to the upside? Or can we still keep pumping up? It will come, mate. Yeah, hopefully it comes, yeah. That would be nice. Oh, my words. Listen to me, boy. Fucking listen to me, boy. What do you take for private lessons, bro? If you don't want to discuss live, DM me, bro. Yeah, no problem. I'll DM you. I don't really charge for private lessons. I don't really do it like that. But I do mentorships and stuff like that, if that's what you're talking about. One Vindaloo and you're in profit today. Yeah. See, like, I don't like it when price moves like this as well. You see where it just come till here and then it just started pushing up. Like, it's like, mate, fucking retrace, you motherfucker. What's wrong with retracing? Yeah, bro, really interested in trading but need a mentor. Yeah. It depends how far you are in the journey for me to be your mentor. Like, are you an absolute beginner or do you have an understanding and have studied a little bit already? Because if you're an absolute beginner, then I would advise like all the free material on YouTube. Danny, today is the day or later this week. Because I just did this whole system. I've not actually, I told you like the Discord is all complete. It's just I don't know how to do it so that when people join it, I want it to be like a verified thing. So like so verified so robots can't get onto it. I need that part. Like I'm just don't know how to get that part up and running. I need to research on that today. So let me research that today. How to block bots automatically from signing in, and then I'll have it up and running. Or text me after the... I'll message you after the stream. Yeah. That'd be wicked, Leroy. Guys, we've got quite a lot of us online here right now today. Who's trading live with us right now? What part of the world are you guys all from? And my food is here, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Thank you very much for that. Wow. I don't think you guys can see it from there. Let me show you. Look. You got the rice. You got the paneer. You got the yogurt. You got the lentil dal. All protein food right now. Vegetarian. All vegetarian protein food right now. Yeah, man. Thank you very much for that. Cheers. No, nothing. I'll have some food later, maybe. Not now though. I'll have to eat this now. Is there no roti on the flour? It's just these. Nah, I'm gonna eat this ice. We're gonna get too much. Got rice here. Your wife's a diamond, bro. Lucky man. See that, so that? Oh, we got here. Look, we got Gary's aquarium. He's got an aquarium in Scotland. He said he's got 20 tanks. I'm have to go pay him a visit one day in summer holidays. Let's go. Player 1, SX still only paper trading in between working. Oh, wicked. Read Leroy that I will come tomorrow. Lucky boy roti. Look, price boom. Yeah, that's the problem, man. It didn't retrace though deep enough. No, I don't want to, you know. It might be too much. Yeah, man. Super tasty. Super tasty. It's dancing like a stripper, girls. Tell me about it, man. Price is just horrible. These lot make me fat all the time. They tell me to try the food, and they know I don't want to have it, but they got too much on my plate, and they still make me try other things. They'll just try a little bit. You might like it, and then when I try, I'm like, fuck, I need to eat it. Leroy, Joey meal. Thank you very much, bro. I had to be enjoying my meal too much and I miss a trade. The only problem I don't like, this candle right now that's playing out is rejecting from a 30-minute fair value gap. So I don't want to be wrong when I'm taking my trade, but it's always 50-50, innit? But we are in an uptrend right now and price hasn't reversed on us, so Gary's Aquarium says stomach comes fast, bro. Only with food miss trade. Haha, yeah, only food should make you miss a trade. To be fair, yeah, because I've been Clay Glotty, what's gold doing? I have no idea, bro. Today I've not been looking at anything much because I was late into the markets. And right now I can't find a trend, an entry. But gold, if you look carefully, gold pushed up as well, as so did flipping Nasdaq and everything else. It pushed up, but then it's just been chopping sideways in this area here. Just consolidating. It might push up from here. It might push up from here. We don't know. It might just retrace here and then just keep dumping. So we don't know. Don't know what gold's doing at the moment properly, as I've not had too much time to analyze it. Clay Gotti, thanks. Clay Gotti, Leroy said it's shining. It's shining. Three more minutes and then the new candle gets formed on the 30-minute time frame. Comfort Zone is saying hiya. Hello, Comfort Zone. How are you doing? Trump market. Are you selling the signals? Yeah, I would have liked that. I really can't see what price is doing. Is that the last of the pumping, or is it just a retracement? I don't want to be too late into the game, but now that we're getting strong bearish candles, then I'm thinking, is it... Thank you, this is good. Thank you very much. Had I took it, this one would have tapped me in. But this is not even analysis paralysis. This is me thinking, has it pushed up enough? Has it retraced enough for price to now think that it wants to come back down? I'm doing mishmash with my rice. Putting rice in yogurt, and then I'm putting rice in the lentil dal as well. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that. Look what it's doing in that exact area. Don't tell me that's gonna fucking go right up and hit fucking take profit. That's gonna piss me off. That's gonna really piss me off, guys. I'm not even joking, man. It's looking like it, bro. Yeah. I was enjoying my food so much, fucking missing my trade. It's too volatile for some strange reason. Why is it being that volatile there? So that red folder news event was only 2 hours, 30 minutes ago. So it's nothing to do with now. Now it's just some weird random volatility. It's some absolute weird shit. See, like, that's exactly why I wasn't putting on the trade in that area. I wouldn't want to be in a trade that moves like that. See, when you've been on the charts for a very, very long time, you can start seeing how price moves in certain areas or what it's going to move like in certain areas. Let's have a look if that would go down into the stop loss. It's creeping right into it. Right into it, right into it, right into it. Tapped. Stop. That would have been a stop loss hit. That's why I never executed that trade. I could kind of tell that price may have exhausted on that retracement, may. And that's that fair value gap that I was telling you about at the beginning. This is the one I was saying to you guys, that if price comes into that area, what might it do? Is it just retracing down into this area to continue pushing up? Or, because then that could be a target area if it is retracing down. But it all depends like what the fuck it's trying to do. I can't figure price out today myself, so the days I can't actually see what price is doing, I try not to take no trades. It's better to make a play when markets open. And does it get harder to find a trade as you go? Yeah. Thank you very much for thank you very much for the heart, Bradley. So in the market open, yeah, it's good. You can catch a trade, but only if price actions go in your favor of how you trade. Because sometimes you might not be able to find a trade till midday. So it always depends. It always depends what price is doing. Is it moving in your favor? Is it not moving in your favor? Bradley, yes, this is NASDAQ. This is NASDAQ, brother. You have to be patient. Because when prices start to move like that, you think, is it just a retracement? Or is it going to continue dumping? What that would look like. Price is very high, guys. Very, very high. The candle's a lot bigger, so you have to, bro, not take that trade. No. They're just trying to see what it's doing. Because really, we're pushing up. So I'm just checking, is it a retracement to continue pushing up, or is this it? Are we gonna start coming down slowly? I said, mark my words. Dow Jones, do you not look at the stock and make analysis from them too? No, because I'm looking at the thing. I do the whole, I just solely rely on my technical analysis, and then obviously the fundamental side. They make up for like 70% of the market. Dow Jones, equity reptiles in the house. Watch Nvidia, Apple, and Microsoft, and Google. Yeah, Dow Jones, I don't tend to like always look at the stock market itself. I always just I'll just look at the NASDAQ and do price action and just do my technical analysis, and then just look at the news events and fundamentals, and then look at what decision I'm making. But I'm more of like a price action trader. I just follow the trend. So that's why when price came into that area, that fair value gap, I was saying it ain't gone into a premium area, but possibly we will get some sort of reaction from there. But that was the 230 open, you see. That's what made that big move here. It helps with entry if going up, it's safer to do buys, etc. Okay, so Dow Jones, do you look at your entries or do you look at the stocks on TradingView and compare them on TradingView, or do you search for stocks on a different system, like some sort of fundamentals information on the news events, or is it just strictly on TradingView? Dow Jones, I do my analysis and then I check stocks if they're going up or down. I execute. Yeah, do you check your stocks on TradingView only or on something else? I've gone way past my time today, guys. I'm glad I wasn't in that trade as well, you know, because that was right bang at the New York Open. Because I don't sit on the charts this long usually. I didn't even realize that New York market had opened, and that's what was moving that market with so much fucking volume and momentum. I was out thinking, oh, is it a news event? Is it a news event? It was no fucking news event. It was just fucking New York Open. I'm watching top 30 stocks and gold. So what's that? The Dow Jones. I'm watching top 30 stocks and gold. On Friday, they was crashing. That's why it was sells all day long. Yeah, man. Friday was just one of those fucking days, innit? Just price just bombed it down. Just melted. At the moment, they have opened high on, so it ain't safe for sells yet. Yeah, Harry Gregory, a lot of sell confluences, but might just be from market open. Yeah, that's what I mean. It might just be from the market open, man. I need stretch. Gary's Aquarium, smashing it with the likes. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much. How many fucking likes have we got today? 41,000 likes. Oh my god. Fuck's sake. That is crazy. Dow Jones, but it makes sense as the AI bubble and the chip bubble burst and people were selling off AI companies. Crazy. Yeah, man. What are your guys' thoughts on crypto as well, on the Bitcoin side of things? What are your guys' thoughts on that? Do we have any fuck's sake. This is why I don't like eating on my fucking desk. Do any of you guys trade? Oh, what the fuck? Oh, what am I looking at here? Yeah, do any of you guys trade Bitcoin or crypto? Look at FinViz. What's FinViz, Dow Jones? I used to mind when it was profitable. Now I'm just holding a bit. I got like 10 years ago. Oh, okay. That must be still worth fucking quite a bit then if you bought that 10 years ago. Even if you're holding on to a little bit, that must be still worth a lot. I don't know why my follow bar is not moving. Yeah, it's good profit, but it's hella volatile. Yeah, I know, man. I reckon a lot of people are going to be buying from here. Just this little area here. Do. You reckon there's many buyers around here, or is it just chopping around for price to just keep dumping? Finviz, after about 15 minutes, show the stocks are doing well for the day. Okay. So if I do like gold, say 200, yeah, and then say let's get 5,000 keep, and then keep gold and change, increase gold, and then yeah, that will keep increasing. Yo, guys, you all need to hit the follow button, man. Let's get it going. Sila Babila, good morning, brother. Sila Babila, where are you from again? Are you from the US? How's trading day? Yeah, trading day is good, man. I just didn't know which way I'm going to be going. So I'm not taking a trade at the moment. I was on late. Normally, you see, I'm always on early, but today I had a few things to fix and sort out. So I was on a bit late today. Nvidia is going down, so I ain't doing shit. US, Wisconsin. Okay, yes, that's right, Sila Babila. So Leroy, my man, about this Discord, yeah, I'll message you later on today, and I just need to know about this bot stuff. Let me have a look online. Actually, let me see what it says. How can I get users verified on my Discord before joining, so no bots and sellers have access? Boom. So here it says, to block bots and sellers from accessing your server, you must lock down default permissions and implement a full layered verification gate. That's what I need. That means, bro, Meta and Google and Apple and Nvidia is starting to dump Leroy verify bot. That means NQ is gonna dump. Yeah. It could be just it could have just been a retracing area. Just price just came and retraced, and now price is gonna start pushing down. So yeah, we'll see if we can catch a trade. We'll catch a trade. If not, I'll fucking leave it for today, innit? That means NQ is gonna dump. One day I'll beat Leroy's likes. Look at Finviz. Let me have a look at this Finviz shit. Let me see what Finviz is. Finviz. Finviz. Is it finviz.com? The screener. Is it the market screener? Is this what you're looking at? Finviz/map. Some stocks in NQ. HYD. Twizzy in the house, my brother. Galaxy NQ about to shit its pants for real. Trust me, man. NQ about to do some fucking serious fucking diarrhea. Proper, man. Imagine if price breaks down to the downside down here, and we take a sell about down here, stop loss up there, and then take profit right about down here. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it, guys? Galaxy. Yes, man. Galaxy, subscribe to the YouTube channel. You're a TikTok right now, isn't it? Yeah. NQ back shit pants. Better beat my likes than beat my trades. Yeah, man. You gotta beat the likes and the trades. You gotta do them together. You can't just do one. You can't do one and one. You have to do both. Let's have a look. Finwiz /map. Yeah, that's the same website. It takes you onto the same website. No, it didn't. It didn't take me onto nowhere, bro. Unless it's news event, then it's BS. Yeah, tell me about it. Yeah, finwiz.com. That's the one. So is this what you're looking at? So that's the S&P 500. And then you get to choose like NASDAQ. Telling you everything's green here. Is that what you look at? It's like some sort of book map, some sort of heat map. Is that what it is? Could get cooked here, but straight. Said take it. Yeah, possibly. Dow Jones, yeah, the big squares is how much market they have. Oh, okay, I see. Nvidia, Apple, Google, Microsoft, Amazon. They're the big players. Thank you very much, Ray and DHZ. Thank you very much for following. All right, let's have a look. So I need to save that in my. Let's save it to choose another folder. Bookmarks, pips, news. I'll put it under news. That's where we like to look. That's some. Oh, I wanted to just. Yeah, that's some nice information there. I like that. Had this broken, if this area here broke down, like closed around here, then I'd wait for a retracement and then I'd take an entry. But because this didn't break here, so like, what I'm saying is, because that's like that, and this area didn't break like below here. So I wanted, ideally, if this broke down here, then I would say, okay, I'll look for a sell now. But because it didn't, and I don't know what price action is doing right now, I'm not actually going to be entering into any trade. The big squares. Click NQ on the side and it shows it's all started to go red. Has it? Let's have a look. Well, this is what it's saying on mine. For the S&P 500. Yeah, if I do Dow Jones, if I do NASDAQ, Google and Microsoft have started to go red, but these two are still green on mine. What is that? Like some heat map or something? Dow Jones, market open, everything was green. Thanks for the tip, Sila Babila. Galaxy, I can already hear poo flushing from Wall Street. Yeah, I only put a tiny amount of risk on my trade. Hate no news Mondays. Yeah. I can't see an entry at the moment. I can't. There's no clean entry for me to take some sort of trade from. So I'm just sitting and waiting. To be fair, I don't care if I catch a trade today or not. I was late to the markets as it is, so I'm not too fussed if I'm in an entry. But I don't want to be in an entry when the trade starts chopping around and just slightly starts going against you and then stays in drawdown. I don't want to be in one of them type of trades. If I was in a trade, I would want to be in a nice trade that's moving in a nice direction pretty fast. It's how much it's getting bought and sold. Yeah, Galaxy, it's the best way to be. Galaxy, yeah, firm it. Just chopping around, isn't it, right now, price? It's a bit horrible. So Leroy, the link that you sent me earlier, is that for your Telegram group? Mo QA, what you trading? Mo QA, I'm trading on Nasdaq at the moment. Just look at Nasdaq only most of the time. I don't really look at anything else. How you read NQ, that's how you read the individual stocks. The whales use stocks, and that's what directly affects the NQ. Okay, I see. Just clocked my C trader. It is what it is. Leroy, yes. Is it working? 1 second. Give me 2 seconds. Let me just click on the link for you. La 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 la. Normally we have like 100, 200 people follow every session. Today, since I've loaded up, I think just the way the markets are going, we've had only 14 people followers. That's absolutely shit, really. All right, what's price doing now? So yeah, Leroy. So I loaded it up and it says this, like that. Is that good? We got Alpha Sessions Trader. The premium trading floor for serious futures and prop firm traders focused on NQ, ES and XAU USD. Join us for daily pre-market blueprints. Analysis and session execution, clean and strictly professional. Read rules to start. I'm gonna join on that. I'm gonna join on that, bro. I've never used any sort of Telegram or anything before, ever. But Leroy's I will join, because Leroy's the man. Broadcom is down another 4% after plunging. Oh, what's going on? Plunging 12.5% previous session. AMD It's losing nearly 5%. Intel down. Look at Dow Jones is on it, bro. This is what happened on Friday. Harry Gregory, boom. My TP actually got hit on a no news Monday. Can you believe it? Yes, I believe it, brother. I definitely believe it. Harry Gregory, do you rate I got out early? Bro, any profits is good. I rate anyone who's making profits, whether you get out early or whether you hold the trade, whether you bring your stop loss into break even or whether you trail the stop loss. A win is a win. I bought Nvidia and Microsoft on Friday. It was a great time to buy. Absolutely. Fuck's sake, what the fuck? So this is a fair value gap in the let me have a look. Is that 30-minute time frame? Yeah, on the 30-minute time frame. So as we've been very, very bullish, I'm just trying to see if this area is going to get respected, or is price going to disrespect this whole fair value gap. Quick day in the office, I'm off night, continues to shit the bed. That's an extra pluses. Galaxy, all right, see you later. Boom up 200. People on the opposite because of psychology. Yeah, trust me, man. Me done for the day. First time in your lives, won't be the last. You can also DM me on the Telegram, brother. Yeah, as soon as I finish off this live, I'm going to join you on there and I'll chat to you on there. Bro, it's going to go to Asia Lows. Galaxy. Gonna get this special little runner. Join the poo shoot. Hopefully we don't break even. To you, if you go live at this time more often, I'll be here. No problem, no problem. I'll try and stay as much as I can. Thank you very much, Galaxy. Thank you very much for following. If you're running in losses, oh no, King Forex, see you later. Easy to block people now. I've got it all set up. Block people nicely on there now. Come on. Come on. Come in this area here. We need a deeper retracement. You can't fucking be retracing just from there. Not touching that. Oh, what the fuck? Is this gonna respect the fair value gap and keep buying? This would have been a buy on the, let's say, the 30-minute time frame and the 15-minute. So it's a buy on the 30-minute and the 15-minute, and you are bullish. So do you just see this rejection here and then just go against the trend? That's another thing. I'm not taking an entry at the moment. Is that something that I would want to do or not? Or should we just risk it? Yeah, that's not a buy. That would be a sell. Because look, take profit would have been down here. But I was looking if it would tap into this area for a deeper retracement and then get the sell off. Risk it for a biscuit. If you saw the size of the runner I have right now, you laugh and tell me to grow up. Brother, each to their own, man. Everyone's got their own styles of trading and all the rest of it. Fucking hell. That just a little inch. Nvidia gone down to 1%. I need us to come down to 29,313. Girls love you, Mari on YouTube. Are you currently waiting for price to go down to there so you can buy from there? But I want to up now to it's 0.70. I'm in a sell. Okay. Thank you very much, Galaxy, for the hand heart. Thank you so much. Thank you very much for the hand heart. Thank you, guys. Appreciate the vibes, man. Thank you so much, brother. Yeah, I'm currently not liking the price action right now, because even the 15 minutes was clearly bullish with very deep retracements like this. Price bombed it up, pushed right up, and we've had a very deep retracement into this fair value gap, and then price is still chopping around in this area. I'm not quite sure. Is it going to continue dumping now, or what the frick it's trying to do? What does a 1 micro look like? Namakia, looks to me it's going to sell off. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking as well. Let's see some barcode ads PA. Dow Jones is dumping for at least next 3 hours. I hope so. Harry Gregory got out early because I'm feeling that 15-minute fair value is going to be strong. Yeah, that's what I'm just... I can't figure it out at the moment. Until New York lunchtime. How much does this work? Don't get it, bro. Yeah, currently can't just figure out which way it's going. I can get into a trade if I really want to, but do I really want to? That's the question. Do I really want to enter in this kind of price action? So getting in this trade, it will only be... Bro, can we just come down to this 15-minute fair value gap, please? Do you know this 15-minute fair value gap? Are you looking to buy from there? Harry Greggy, if you invest its FEG, will you short? I don't know, bro. I don't know. I don't know what price is doing. I don't know. But whatever it's doing, I don't like it. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Harry Gregory, yeah, that was lit. My TP can't see us going to hourly lows if I'm being honest with myself. Dow Jones, this is a retracement to catch people out. Yeah, possibly, yeah. Because look, we are on an uptrend. 30-minute time frame blatantly tells you it's an uptrend. Even if you go on the hour time frame, that can be the retracement. This is the hourly time frame, and then price just keeps pumping. But I need to find a nice entry. If I can't see it, I won't enter it. That's the type of trader I am. I need to actually see the entry properly, and then I'll be like, okay, that's me in. But if I don't see it properly, like, do I really want to be a part of it? I don't know. It'll only be a loss, one loss, but do I really want to just take the one loss when I can just like get an A+ setup and go for the win? Bro, my runner would have made me 150. That's how much faith I had it. You're going to retest this area and just melt down, or you're going to continue pumping. Doing a lot of faking out right now, isn't it? Who's in a trade right now? Who's currently trading right now and who is actually sitting in a trade right now? I'm in a sell. Stefan FX 19. I'm in a sell. Wicked, wicked. Where have you sold from? Romania. No, I mean, what price have you sold from? And are you trading Nasdaq? Right at 10 top. Yeah, tell me about it. This is not my type of price action. I wouldn't be sitting in a trade right now. I won't be entering in anything right now. I can't see anything. Yeah, I think I might just sit out for the rest of the day. That's me done. Even if I see it, I won't enter it. I can't figure out what price is doing right now. We are currently in a uptrend, but are we retracing to come right back down? And I just can't see what price is doing. So that's me going to be sitting out. How long have you been trading for, bro? Galaxy, I've been trading for 3 years now. 3 years properly, not no bullshit, like properly. So like out of that, I've had 2 years very, very bad losing streak, very bad, because I just couldn't figure it out. The third year I started figuring it out, so 2.5 years later I started seeing profits. So now I'm 6 months into my profits. I'm very happy. That's why I can sit on the charts like this and really see it. Am I really want to enter it? Can I see the trade? If I can't see it, I won't enter it. And even if it just goes my way, then I'll just stay sitting out, because I know even if I make profit 10 times, or if I get 12 trades in 1 month, not 12 trades in 1 day, if I get 12 trades in 1 month, even if I get 8 trades in 1 month, I'm happy. So because even if I make $1,000 on 1 trade, yeah, which is an A+ setup, and that trade only comes about 8 times in the month, I'm happy to sit out for 12 days in the month and not take the trade. But then 8 times the trade comes and gives me my $1,000, I'll be happy, because after that I'll be copy trading that trade onto 5 other accounts. So that's $5,000 in 1 day, and then you times that by 8 days. You've done it, and then more often than not, your trade will usually come. You'd catch a setup more than 8 times in a month. In 20 days, you'd probably catch one fucking 15 days in a row. You'd probably catch it. But I'm just saying, like, pure minimum. If I didn't get it, I don't get it. Look at that. It was a retracement, it looks like, but we don't know. So yeah, either way, I'm sitting out. I'm not trading. I'm not jumping into the markets. I will take it. I will take a non-trading day today. I'm happy with the non-trading day. Guys, I'm going to love you and leave you. I'm going to shoot off, and we'll be back on tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. GMT London session, and then 12 p.m. pre-New York session, which is 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yeah, I went a whole month without even seeing a single setup. Yeah, it happens, man. Dow Jones 200 pips profit now on this trade. Leroy, I'll see you later, bro. Can't figure it out. I could see it, but do I want to take it? That's a whole different story. I just don't feel like I want to be sitting in a trade now this afternoon. I just want to be chilling. Catch you later, Danny, man, and love the stream, bro. Thank you so much, Gary's Aquarium. We love it. Galaxy, in a bit, my boy, was a pleasure. And you, my brother, was a pleasure to meet you. Nice to meet you guys. No, don't take. Yeah, Leroy, I'm not going to take. I'm just going to sit out. Good luck to whoever's trading right now. Happy trading, and may I wish you lots of gains and wins for the rest of the day. Get you. Take care, bro. See ya, mate. See you later, guys.